Hi Anushka, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Nykaa haul for which I'm so excited and so happy. I just received my product like 2 days before. Now for that make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for supporting me. I upload videos every week. And also make sure that you watch till the end because I'm doing a huge giveaway for you guys. So wait till the end, watch till the end, and you'll know all the details about the giveaway. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I purchased is Maybelline's Master Blush Palette. This is how it looks. I hope you can see it. And this one is Maybelline's Master Blush Color and Highlight Palette. Now I was wanting this one for so long. Like, I love Maybelline products. These are super amazing, these are super nice, and Maybelline's blushes, highlights are really nice. This is how it looks. This is how it is. Oh my god, they have three blush-ons and one highlighter. And let's try the pigment. How is the pigment? This is a dark color. I think it's nice. And then light one. Wow, super nice. See? And then the orangish one. It's the coral one. It's also pretty color. All three blush-ons are very pretty, and they have one highlighter. See. Okay. So I'm super excited to try these ones. So next thing I ordered is a Maybelline concealer, and I love this one. I'll show this concealer. Now I totally love this one. Right now also I'm wearing this concealer and it's almost over, so I had to restock it. And this Maybelline's Instant Rewind Age Rewind Concealer. It's multi-purpose concealer, and I just love this one. I think everyone should have. And this is not expensive also. I think it's for 620 rupees. And I think it's one of the best drugstore concealers out there that you should try. And my shade is 120 light. I'm so happy I came restock this one. And then I have Nykaa's face primer. I ordered this one. It's Nykaa Face Prep Me Up Face Primer, and it's just for rupees 4.99, which is quite really nice. I was using an expensive one from Smashbox, but then it comes Chotusu, and then it's for 2000 something, and that's super expensive just for Chotu primer. So I thought of investing in some drugstore one and trying that out. So I ordered this one and I'll see how it does. I've heard a lot, it's nice, it does good work, so I hope it does a good work. So the next product that I have is an eyeshadow, and now I'm totally becoming an eyeshadow person, like a more of eye makeup person. I was totally a lipstick person, but it's changing now. So I ordered this one. This one is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this is a reloaded red alert palette, and it's for rupees 950. So it's a super nice buy. I would say it's not expensive, and I'll tell you, my god, look at the colors, super amazing. Like, they have white, they have neutral tones, and they have bright shades, purple, pink and brown shade. Like, I'm totally loving it. They have this nice red color. My god, I wanted, and they have coral also. I wanted some nice bright color palettes since so long, and I haven't tried since now Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes, but I've heard so much that they're so nice and all. So let's try the pigment. Okay, this is the coral one. Oh my god, look at that, super pigmented, y'all. Okay, now we'll try some glitter shade. They have a golden glitter shade right here. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, see? It's super nice. Oh my god, I'm loving the pigment of these eyeshadows. They're so nice. And there are so many drugstore eyeshadow palettes. They are not expensive, and they are super pigmented, they are super nice. So if you're just beginner at eyeshadows and eye makeup, so first try your hand at some drugstore product, learn eye makeup with some, you can have some best drugstore product you can have is Makeup Revolution for eyeshadows or NYX. These are amazing ones, and then you can go for some expensive brand, but I would always recommend this one. And the next product I have are eyelashes. Okay, so these are Nykaa's, and these are Nykaa's Lash Talk Melodrama eyelashes. So I'm not at all a eyelash person, like fake eyelashes person. I love putting on my mascaras and all, but till now I have never purchased fake eyelashes and never worn it. So, and I'm too afraid to like put a fake eyelashes. I'm not that person, but now I'm really wanting to try it. Like, I don't know, I'm slowly becoming an eye person. Eyeshadows, lashes. Yeah, I'm super excited to try these one out. So the next one that I have is a makeup fixer. I purchased this one. I purchased this one, and this is again a drugstore product. It's from Swiss Beauty, and it's a makeup fixer, natural. It has aloe vera with vitamin E. Now this is again for only $2.49. It is not expensive at all, and this one is really nice. Like, I've heard so much, so I thought of not investing in some 2000 makeup fixers on not inexpensive ones. So I buy this one. This is how it looks. Now again, it's Chotusa, and it's so worth purchase. I think it's just for $2.49, and it has aloe vera with vitamin E. So I hope it does the work. It smells also nice. Next product I have is this. Now what is this? Now this is a Makeup Revolution London Ultimate Artist Palette. I was so excited when I saw this and to purchase this. Now why I'm so excited about this, you'll just get to know in a minute, in a second. Let me show you. In a second, let me show you. This is how it looks. Like, it's like a book. It is like a book, and it's Makeup Revolution London Ultimate Artist Palette, and then you have to open it up like a book, and that's how it looks. Oh my god, isn't it super nice? Now why is that? Because it has got here all the bronzers and contour, and then here it has all the blusher, all the blushes. It has coral, lily, pink, red, like all 4 main colors it has. And then here, this side, it has iconic eyeshadows, then bright eyeshadows, and then lip colors. Oh my god. So it has all the iconic, because I can't show you anything. Look at that. It has all the iconic eyeshadows, and then the bright ones, which I love, and then the lip colors. Oh my god. Now this is like a, now this one is for 2450, and it's so worthy purchase. Man, it has everything in it. Like everything. Like, it's like a one thing to have when you're going for like small vacations. You just take this and you're done. You just take this and you're done. Okay, now let me try. What should I try? The blush-ons? Or no, I'll go with eyeshadows. Let me try the pigmentation of how the eyeshadows are actually. Okay. So I'll try the pink one. Here's the pink one. Here are the pink color. Okay. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pigmented. I'm loving this. Like, I'm loving this. Now it has a blue glittery one also. Navy blue. Let me try that one too. Oh my god. I love this one right now. It has lip colors also. Just here, done in one palette, man. so happy that I actually bought this one. You don't need 100 products with you. Just take one palette. And the last product that I have is this. Oh my god. So this is Makeup Revolution's Pro HD Amplified 35 Palette Eyeshadow. I was so excited to buy this one because I don't have any like a big eyeshadow palette which has like all the neutrals and all the bright ones like pink, purple, blue, and then brownish, and then black and yellows. And then when I saw this, like I was like, nah, I need to buy this. And this one is for only 1,350, which is so like worth the buy. And it's just not expensive for 35 palette eyeshadow. That's not expensive, and it's totally worth it. Okay, I'll just show you. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. The colors are so beautiful in it. Like it has all the browns, all the blue, green, purple, pink. It has orange, then it has black. It has every color that you want. Okay, so I'm like so excited. It's not well expensive. The eyeshadow palettes which are for 5,000, 6, 8. It has 35 colors and for only 2,350, which is so worth the buy. And I'm like so excited to try these, like to do different type makeup looks with this one. And yes, I'm just so getting excited to try these ones. So let's try the pigment of these eyeshadows. Okay, which one should I try? Let's try the blue one, okay? So this, okay, it's like a very light blue. Oh my god, such a pretty color. And then we'll go for the green. This is glittery green. And then we go with like a black color. 3 different colors, and pigments are so beautiful. Really. I'm like super excited to try these ones. If you're looking for eyeshadow palette with a nice big eyeshadow, you want to have like all the colors, I'll highly recommend this one. And Makeup Revolution has some amazing eyeshadow palettes, you know. You can also go and look at Nykaa.com and look for other eyeshadow palettes. But Makeup Revolution, they make amazing eyeshadow palette for the drugstore one. So I'll highly recommend you to go and check it out. And all the details for the products will be in the description box below, so check it out. I'm doing my first giveaway and I'm so happy and I'm so excited. I'm just very grateful, so I wanted to do a giveaway. So it's first and there will be many more to come. So I'm giving away this huge McCaffeine coffee skincare kit, and it's really nice and and that's 3 products inside. So I'll just show you. So these are the products, and it has one coffee face wash and a coffee body scrub and a coffee face scrub. And for everyone can use it. You can gift it. It's like a big coffee. It's a big skincare kit. And now to win this hamper, to win this giveaway, or what all, you just need to follow a few steps. And all the details of it will be right below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Okay, make sure you check it out for everything. And yeah, I just want to tell you when the giveaway will be over. I will announce the winners on 2nd of July. On 2nd of July on my Instagram stories, and I'll reply to your comment. I'll reply to your comment down below. Okay, and all the details will be right below, so make sure you check them out. Okay, and don't worry if you don't win this hamper, I'm going to do many more. So yeah, make sure you stick around. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and that's it for my little haul, Nykaa haul. And all the links, everything will be right down in the description box, and I've already announced for the giveaway, so make sure you enter the giveaway. And for that also, everything, all the details that you need to follow, steps and all, would be right below in the description box. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did and if you like my video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.